Starting off, we've got the Woodpecker's 6-in-1 pocket gauges, the ultimate tool for anyone who needs a compact solution to multiple measuring tasks. This small but mighty tool packs 6 different functions in one, from depth gauges to rulers and protractors, making it a versatile companion for woodworkers. Its easy-to-read markings and durable construction ensure that it'll withstand the test of time while delivering precise measurements every time. Whether you're in the workshop or on the go, this pocket-sized gauge provides you with everything you need for accurate, quick measuring. Carrying it in your pocket means you'll always be prepared for whatever task comes your way. Its precision and reliability make it a top choice for woodworkers of all levels. If you haven't got one of these, it's time to add it to your toolkit. Next up, the Woodpecker's Pocket Compass brings a new level of precision to marking curves and angles. This tool is perfect for transferring measurements, marking arcs, or sketching precise lines, ideal for woodworking and other crafts. The compass is lightweight, making it easy to use with one hand, while the sharp, fine-pointed needle guarantees a sharp, accurate mark every time. It's a must-have for anyone who works with curves, as it ensures your angles are always spot on. With its adjustable arms, it offers incredible flexibility for a wide range of tasks. Plus, it's compact enough to fit right in your pocket, so it's easy to bring along anywhere you go. This pocket compass makes marking and transferring curves quicker and easier, saving you time on your projects. Moving on to the Woodpecker's step gauges, an essential tool for anyone working with tenons, dados, or other step cuts. These gauges help you measure exact depths and step heights with ease, ensuring your cuts are perfectly aligned and sized. The stainless steel construction provides durability and strength, while the precision machining guarantees that every measurement is exact. Whether you're setting up a router or measuring for a joint, these step gauges give you the confidence to make perfect cuts. The smooth design ensures easy sliding and accurate readings every time. Plus, they're incredibly easy to store and use, making them a must-have for both novice and experienced woodworkers. Get your measurements right the first time with these reliable, high-quality gauges. The Woodpecker's Joiner's Saddle Square is next, and this tool will change the way you approach joinery. Its unique saddle design allows it to sit securely on your workpiece, giving you the stability you need to cut perfect angles every time. Whether you're making cross cuts or aligning edges for joinery, this square ensures that everything is square and true. Made from solid aluminum, it's durable and resistant to wear and tear. The precise engravings make it easy to set angles, so you can always make accurate cuts without a second guess. It's perfect for woodworkers who want a reliable tool to help align pieces and achieve flawless joints. The smooth finish and lightweight feel make it easy to work with for long hours, ensuring you never compromise on quality. With the Joiner's Saddle Square, your joints will always be right on the money. Now, let's talk about the Woodpecker's Mortise Base, a tool that transforms your plunge router into a precise mortising machine. This base attaches easily to your router, giving you a steady platform for mortising that improves accuracy and reduces setup time. The built-in fence keeps your cuts aligned, while the transparent body lets you clearly see the work as you go. With its solid construction, it provides the strength you need for deeper cuts and rougher materials, while maintaining precision for delicate details. It's adjustable, allowing for fine-tuned control over your cuts, making it perfect for a wide range of mortising tasks. Whether you're working on large or small projects, this base will ensure your mortises are perfectly sized every time. This is the kind of tool that takes your router setup to the next level. The Woodpecker's 3.5-inch and 6-inch Delve Square is here to help you make sure your cuts and edges are always square. This tool is great for both small and large projects, providing you with precision and ease of use no matter the task. It allows you to check and adjust the squareness of joints, edges, and corners quickly, ensuring that everything fits perfectly. The two size options give you flexibility for a wide range of projects, from cabinetry to framing. It's made from durable aluminum, so it can withstand years of heavy use without losing its accuracy. The clear, easy-to-read markings make adjustments a breeze, while the lightweight design allows for effortless handling. Whether you're a beginner or seasoned pro, this square will ensure your edges are always aligned and your work is perfectly square. The Woodpecker's Polygauge SS is a must-have when working with curved or irregular shapes. This tool makes measuring radii and curves a breeze, offering unmatched accuracy for your woodworking and design projects. The flexible stainless steel construction ensures that it adapts to the shape you're working with, giving you precise measurements every time. With its clear scale, the Polygauge SS makes it easy to transfer measurements and create flawless curves on your workpieces. Whether you're making custom curves or aligning parts, this tool gives you the flexibility to work with complex shapes. Its lightweight design ensures comfort while measuring, and the durable build ensures that it'll last for years. This tool is perfect for woodworkers who need precise and adaptable measurements for any project. Next up, we have the Woodpeckers Angle Angle and Angle Angle Mini, two tools that bring precision to your angled cuts. The Angle Angle is perfect for larger projects, offering easy-to-read angles and quick adjustments, while the Angle Angle Mini is ideal for more intricate work. Both tools are built from precision-machined aluminum, offering durability and longevity. Whether you're working with trim or complex miter joints, these angles help you set the perfect cut quickly and efficiently. With their clear and precise angle markings, you can trust these tools to deliver perfect results every time. The Angle Angle is great for larger workpieces, and the mini version gives you a portable option for smaller tasks. No matter the size of your project, these angles ensure your cuts are always on point. The Woodpecker Spline Jig is a fantastic tool for making strong and decorative miter joints. It's perfect for adding strength and durability to your projects, especially when working with intricate joinery. The jig makes it easy to cut perfect splines, ensuring that your miter joints stay square and aligned. Its sturdy construction ensures that it can handle larger and tougher workpieces while maintaining precision. The adjustable features give you full control over the size and position of your splines, so you can create joints that are not only strong but visually appealing. Whether you're working with hardwoods or softwoods, the Spline Jig ensures a perfect fit every time. It's quick to set up and easy to use, so you can spend less time on setup and more time on your projects. This tool is an essential for anyone who wants flawless miter joints. Next, we have the Woodpeckers Auxiliary Rip Fence, a must-have tool for any woodworker using a table saw. This fence attaches easily to your saw, providing a reliable and precise guide for rip cuts. The solid build ensures that your material stays firmly in place, allowing for smooth, accurate cuts without the worry of shifting or misalignment. The adjustable features give you the flexibility to make quick modifications for different thicknesses, ensuring that every cut is straight and true. Its durable construction makes it perfect for heavy-duty use, and its compact design means it won't take up too much space in your workshop. If you want to make your rip cuts faster and more accurate, this is the tool you need. It's a simple, effective addition to your table saw setup that will save you time and effort on every project. Next up is the Woodpeckers Drill Press Protractor, designed to give you absolute precision when drilling at angles. This tool helps you set and measure precise angles on your drill press, making sure your holes are drilled exactly where you need them. The clear, easy-to-read scale lets you make quick adjustments, ensuring you get the perfect angle every time. Built with heavy-duty aluminum, it provides the strength and stability needed for accurate measurements, even under tough conditions. Whether you're drilling into wood, metal, or plastic, this protractor ensures your setup is spot on. It attaches easily to most drill presses, saving you time and hassle during setup. If you want flawless, angled holes with no guesswork, this tool is a must-have for your workshop. Next, we've got the Woodpeckers Bevel Block and Bevel Squares, two essential tools that make setting angles a breeze. The Bevel Block is perfect for holding your workpiece at a fixed angle, while the Bevel Squares give you the flexibility to measure and adjust angles with ease. These tools are perfect for woodworking projects, where precision and accuracy are paramount. Made from durable aluminum, they offer long-lasting reliability, even with frequent use. The clear markings on both the block and squares make it simple to set angles accurately every time, reducing the chances of errors. With these tools, you'll always be able to check, adjust, and set the perfect angle for your cuts. Whether you're framing, trimming, or cutting angles, these tools are sure to enhance your workflow. The Woodpecker's Hex Scale Rule is a versatile tool that brings precision and clarity to your measuring tasks. Featuring a unique hexagonal shape, this rule offers easy handling and improved control, making it perfect for both standard and intricate measurements. The engraved scale provides clear, accurate readings, whether you're working in inches or millimeters. Crafted from stainless steel, it's built to withstand wear and tear, making it a durable addition to your toolkit. Its slim design allows for precise measurements in tight spaces, while the overall length provides versatility for larger projects. This rule is ideal for woodworking, metalworking, and any other task where accuracy is critical. Add this to your collection, and you'll never have to worry about inaccurate measurements again. If you're looking for a tool to speed up your setups, the Woodpecker's adjustable setup block is here to help. This tool allows you to set up your tools, such as saw blades, routers, and fences, with exceptional accuracy and consistency. The block's adjustable design makes it versatile, catering to a wide range of measurements and setup requirements. It's constructed from durable materials, ensuring that it can withstand the rigors of everyday use without losing its precision. Whether you're setting a table saw or aligning a fence, this block gives you a quick and accurate setup every time. The simple yet effective design saves you valuable time in the workshop, so you can focus more on your projects. With the adjustable setup block, achieving perfect setups has never been easier. Next up, we have the Woodpecker's Corner Jig, a fantastic tool that ensures perfect 90-degree angles for your woodworking projects. This corner jig is perfect for assembling frames, boxes, and other items that require precise corners. The jig holds the workpieces in place while you clamp them together, making sure the corners stay square during assembly. With its sturdy construction and adjustable features, you can easily use this tool for different-sized projects, ensuring you always get flawless square corners. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced woodworker, this tool is indispensable for achieving perfect joinery. It's easy to set up and simple to use, providing an immediate boost in accuracy and efficiency. This corner jig will become a go-to tool for all your corner joints and frame building tasks. The Woodpecker's MT center gauge is designed to make marking center lines and angles easier than ever. Whether you're working on metal, wood, or other materials, this tool ensures that your pieces are centered precisely every time. It's perfect for setting up saw blades, routers, and other equipment that require precise alignment. Made from stainless steel, it's built to last, providing you with long-lasting reliability for all your projects. The easy-to-read scale and clear markings make it simple to measure and align your workpieces accurately. This center gauge is perfect for woodworkers and machinists who need to set up and measure center lines quickly and accurately. Add this tool to your kit, and you'll notice a significant improvement in your alignment tasks. Next, we have the Woodpecker's StableMax RT router table, a heavy-duty table that provides an incredibly stable surface for your router work. This router table is built for accuracy, ensuring that your router stays steady even during extended use. The large surface area gives you plenty of room to work on large projects, while the integrated fence provides perfect alignment for your cuts. The rugged construction and smooth surface allow for clean, precise routing with minimal effort. The StableMax RT also features easy adjustments, so you can quickly set the height and position of your router bit for flawless results every time. Whether you're making intricate cuts or simple routings, this router table offers the stability and versatility you need for your projects. Upgrade your router setup with the StableMax RT, and you'll experience precision like never before. Let's kick things off with the Woodpecker's Add an Inch block, a game changer for anyone who needs to add exactly 1 inch to their measurements. This clever tool simply attaches to your ruler, square, or tape measure to give you that extra inch instantly. No complex math required. Whether you're setting up saw blades, adjusting distances, or measuring cuts, the Add an Inch block makes it easy to get the right measurements in a fraction of the time. The block's solid aluminum construction ensures durability and accuracy, even under heavy use. Plus, the clear markings on the block ensure you get precise, reliable results every time you use it. This tool is perfect for those quick adjustments where every millimeter counts, making your projects quicker and more accurate. No more pulling out extra measuring tools. Just add an inch and keep working. Next up, we've got the Woodpecker's Cam-Align Dowel Guide, designed for flawless dowel alignment in your woodworking projects. This tool features a unique cam mechanism that holds your workpieces in place, ensuring perfectly aligned dowels with no wobble. It's adjustable to fit various dowel sizes, making it highly versatile for different projects. The guide clamps securely to your workpieces, so you don't have to worry about them shifting while you drill. Made from high-quality aluminum, it's tough, reliable, and built to last. Whether you're assembling furniture, building cabinets, or working on custom projects, this dowel guide ensures your dowels line up perfectly every time, saving you time and frustration. Forget about misaligned holes or crooked dowels. This tool makes your joinery more accurate, making your projects look professional. If you want to improve your doweling game, the Cam-Align Dowel Guide is a must-have. The new Steady Curve 2.0 from Woodpeckers brings total control to your bandsaw curves. Featuring powerful magnets and adjustable supports, it holds your workpiece steady for consistent, flowing cuts. The new dual-axis adjustment lets you fine-tune your template angle with precision never seen before. Its robust aluminum construction eliminates vibration while maintaining smooth guidance through tight turns. Setup is tool-free and lightning-fast, making it perfect for repetitive work. Whether shaping furniture components or cutting intricate templates, this guide keeps every curve flawless. It's your new best friend for bandsaw perfection. Meet the Calzilla, Woodpecker's ingenious attachment that transforms your rule into a high-precision caliper. It slides onto your stainless steel rule to take exact inside, outside, and depth measurements in seconds. The laser-etched markings deliver unmatched accuracy and durability for years of use. Its smooth gliding mechanism ensures every adjustment is effortless and secure. Whether you're checking joinery gaps or marking repeat dimensions, Calzilla gives you total control. Compact, accurate, and brilliantly simple. It's the ultimate measuring sidekick for serious woodworkers. Lastly, we have the Woodpecker's Iron Grip Small Parts Holder, a tool that ensures your small workpieces stay secure while you work. This tool features powerful magnets that hold your parts firmly in place, allowing you to focus on your work without worrying about shifting pieces. Whether you're sanding, cutting, or drilling, this holder gives you the stability you need for smaller, delicate parts. The adjustable arms allow you to work with a wide range of part sizes, making it versatile for various tasks. Its compact design ensures that it fits into tight spaces, while the durable construction guarantees it'll last for years. This small parts holder is perfect for working with miniatures, model making, or intricate woodworking projects where precision is key. If you've struggled with holding small parts steady, this tool will make your life so much easier. Thank you for watching this video on the top tech tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.